welcome back to my channel. This is NAGA AMOS again. I'm back again with the same blog. I already complete up to A to K, so I'll be starting from L to V. So please watch till the end. In order to cut L, you need to do is that you need to fold like this. You will see like this, and this is L. Now I'll be cutting again M. In order to cut M, you need to fold like this. This is now N. I'll be cutting N. N will be like this. And this is N. Now I'll be cutting O. O, in order to cut O, fold it like this. O. You can use for 0 also, you can use for C also. Now in order to cut P, what you need to do is that you need to fold halfway. Now this is P. So P. Q. Now in order to cut Q, you need to this is Q. Now R, in order to cut R like P, you need to cut it. Now it's fine. This is R. Now S, in order to cut S, you need to fold like this. Now this is S. Now in order to cut D. Okay. Now in order to cut D is very simple. Come on. Now in order to cut U, U2 is very simple. This is U. So now in order to cut V, and this is B. Alright. Thank you so much for watching till the end. So you please give a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Mình khen rồi, vì là mà không kêu.